This is a lifestyle, not a diet, and we can keep pizza in our weekends. This pizza comes in at around 22 grams of carb with the salad. Very first thing you do, get the oven as hot as you can, 250 degrees. Have a pizza tray. Your base options are you can get a gluten-free pita base, you can get a regular pita, whole grain pita, or you can buy the whole grain wraps, or you can buy the purpose-made Pizza del Piera bases. There's 4 small ones, 50 grams each. I found lovely sauces, the Ballymaloo smoked bacon, or there was tinned pizza sauce. I got that in Tesco. There was 2 lots of cans, 200 grams in each. Or you might have a pesto already in your fridge from last week's recipes. I use pecorino mixed with cheddar, or I use mozzarella. They're my 3 favourite pizza cheeses. I add ham to mine. You can add anchovy. You can add sun-dried tomato. You can add olives. You can put a different flavour like pesto, mozzarella and basil with it. Red onion, peppers and rocket or any type of lettuce leaf as a side salad with it. So you oil your pizza tray. And then, so that you can make it really easy to cut the pita, I heat it for 2 minutes beforehand, take it out, then slice it and put a bit of olive oil on it. I load it up with all my favourite ingredients, but I don't add the cheese at this stage, and I bake that for 5 minutes. Then I take it out, I load it up with my choice of cheeses, depending on whether it's a wrap or whether it's a pita, and then I bake it with the cheese for 3 minutes. I then take it out, I serve it on a board with a lovely rocket salad with a little bit of cheese on top.